Welcome to the Fleet Management and Fuel Consumption Tracking System. This file is designed to simplify vehicle management for personal or small business use, organizing mileage logs, compliance notifications, and fuel tracking. Cover TB, personalization and quick access. Cover. Purpose. The cover is the first tab you'll see when you open the file, where you can customize it with your business name, email, and notes. Features. The cover tab contains two useful links, one leading to the file tutorial and another to our store. At the store, you can reach out to ask questions, request services, propose partnerships, and more. Mileage and Fuel Log tab. Daily Mileage Tracking. Purpose. The Mileage and Fuel Log tab is for recording the daily mileage and fuel consumption of vehicles. Features. Here you can enter daily mileage records and monitor maintenance and compliance notifications, all organized by vehicle. You can also filter by license plate to view summaries for each vehicle or for all vehicles combined. Step-by-step entry guide. Initial setup. Before entering data in this tab, go to the Setup tab to register the vehicle's license plate, which will act as a unique ID. You may also assign a driver to the vehicle if desired. Filling in the table fields. In the mileage and fuel log, enter information in the white columns: date, starting and ending mileage. The blue columns will auto-populate based on values entered in the white columns. License plate filter and summary. Use the license plate filter to view records for a specific vehicle. Totals for mileage and fuel consumption will appear at the top, making it easy to analyze data by vehicle. Here you receive alerts for vehicle compliance, including car tax, inspection, maintenance, and insurance, ensuring that deadlines are not overlooked. Vehicle Compliance Log tab. Maintenance, inspections, repairs, and taxes. Purpose. This tab allows you to schedule maintenance, inspections, repairs, and tax payments for your vehicles. Features. Here, you set up compliance and safety alerts by mileage or date, ensuring vehicles remain up to date on maintenance and legal deadlines. The complete tutorial video shows in detail how to use. Vehicle Compliance Log tab, maintenance, inspections, repairs, and taxes. Purpose. This tab allows you to schedule maintenance, inspections, repairs, and tax payments for your vehicles. Fuel consumption and expenses. Tracker tab, fuel costs and consumption tracking purpose. This tab lets you track fuel expenses for each vehicle and forecast fuel costs for future distances. The link to this product is in the description of this video. We offer customization if needed. Visit Sheet Ignite and support this project. Thank you for your interest, and any questions you have will be answered within 24 hours.